Okay. Again, I will give a word. Can you spell the word subject? Okay, is it correct? Subject. Okay, good job. Can you amen? Okay, amen. Can you spell the word amen? Cupcake. Okay, correct. Can you spell?
Yay! Good job, Ami. Good job.
Spell the word mirror. 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 Okay, do you understand mirror? Mirror. Okay, I will give you the next word. Can you spell the word butter? Butter. Okay, is it correct? Butter. Okay, good job, Ami. Okay, next word for Ami. Can you spell the word science?
And
Science. Okay, good job. Okay, science. Okay, last one for Ami. Can you spell the word rainbow? Okay, is it correct, rainbow? Okay, good job. Give a big hand to Ami and Ami. Okay, congratulations.